Now, my next question is to you, Praveen. Tidewater Oil Company has been doing some fantastic work. They are, in fact, one of the earlier companies which had focused or encouraged supporting development of renewable energy. As part of Vama, I see that you've also aligned your CSR activities with your company's strength, wherein you provide training, impart training to mechanics and garage owners. Can you tell us in short as to what is the factors that the company considered while selecting the sectors for support?
Okay, so the Vidol is the Tidewater, which has the brand of Vidol.
Right.
They are in the automobile industry, and typically automobile industry is supposed to be, the contribute significantly to the economic or the environmental kind of issues in terms of the emissions and the CO2 kind of emissions and all of that issues. So from the point of view of bringing the carbon neutrality, the company decided that they need to really get into the solar power and support that. So to that extent, they can neutralize whatever they are contributing to the emission. So that was the first point. Secondly, of course, the solar power, of course, is least expensive from the consumer's point of view. So that was also the second point. And the third point, of course, is the whole economy or the world is moving towards the, whether it is e-mobility or whatever you call, in terms of how the world can shift to the alternate sources of power. So that was also the second point and third point. And therefore, this company decided to use its CSR money towards that kind of objective. The issue related to giving the training to the mechanical people or the mechanics is basically from the point of view of creating more employment. You've got a lot of, I wouldn't say uneducated, but a lot of youngster or young generation. And we all talk about in India, we all talk about the demographic dividend which we have. But if we have to really kind of convert that so-called dividend into real dividend and not have demographic liability, then we need to have enough employment opportunities, especially to the young, less educated people, and that's why we thought we are in that business and we should give the training to the mechanics, to the unemployed, and I would say not fully educated kind of youngsters to earn money, whether on their own or by working with the garages or whatever. So that was the second point of view. So to give employment or have employability opportunities for them. So that was the main objective.
No, very well said, sir. Thank you. And it's a very noble gesture to have such a thought process where you think of not just yourself, but also the environment in which your company is carrying out its operations.